In this Illustrator tutorial, I'm going to show you how to flip horizontal really quickly. So we've got this arrow out here, and I've just drawn this with the brush tool. It's a couple strokes, and I grouped it together so that the arrowhead and the arrow stays together. Now, if I wanted to quickly flip this to the other side, then what I would do is select this object, or whatever it is you want to flip, go to Properties, and we actually have under the Transform panel this little flip horizontally. You can also flip vertically here, but this is about flipping horizontally. We could just click this and it will flip it horizontal to the other side. Now you might be asking, well, what's the difference between that and rotating it? Well, it is different. You are actually flipping it. So if we were to rotate it, notice how this arcs downward because we simply rotated it around. Whereas if we flipped it, it actually flips it to where now it's arcing upward and pointing this direction. So that would be the difference. But that's how you can quickly flip horizontally here in Adobe Illustrator.